Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through creating an awesome booklet from scratch in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size to enter any dimensions you want. This tutorial uses the already completed front cover page. In the Elements tab, we added houses, trees, and text. We used advanced text options for the current title, then applied effects like curve and outline to enhance the text appearance. We added bus elements and flowers, duplicating the flower to create a garden. We also added a pathway to represent the road leading to the house. Next, add another page and search for anime again. Type pig anime in the search bar. Select the main character, lock onto it, then add it. Finally, set the position to the back. Add depth to enhance the visual appeal and create a cooler look. Select graphic or choose a fixed model from the options available. You can change the font if you want. I'll select this font here. Add the dialogue, specify the next action, and then insert the text as needed. Lock the layer in place. Next, send this layer to the back. Search for an option that appears more realistic. Click and drag to spread this area evenly. You can change the position of elements, like on the second page. To add more, simply look for the desired element in the toolbar or menu. Then, drag and drop it onto your page. Adjust its placement as needed. This helps you customize the layout quickly and efficiently. Experiment with different positions to find the best arrangement. Repeat the process to add multiple elements. This way, you can design your pages exactly how you want. Keep exploring the options available to enhance your project. In the Elements tab, start creating your booklet. Then click Share, followed by Download. You can select specific pages before downloading to ensure everything you want is included. Use NYT for professional building before downloading your file. Now you know how to make a booklet in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy design tips.